everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Celeste and today I'm excited to show you how to make a beautiful little red ornament to add to your holiday decoration. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest videos. Now let's talk about the materials we all need for this project. We all require 3 colors of yarn, size 4 or medium, a ring with a diameter of 5.5 centimeter, a hook size G or 4.25 millimeter, a yarn needle, and scissors. Alright, now that we have everything we need, let's get started. First, let's begin with the green yarn and make a slip knot. Then we'll make 34 single crochets around the ring. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is how it looks like with our single crochet. Then if it's too tight, you can also push the yarn back to fit the required stitches around the ring. Once that's done, we all slip stitch at the end. For the second row, we all start with 2 single crochets in each stitches around, totaling 60 single crochet. Now I'm on the second stitch. We need to make 2 single crochet, then go to the next stitch, make another 2 single crochet, then you have 6 already right here, and keep continue until you reach the end. Once you reach the end of the second row, make a slip stitch on the first single crochet, and then we will change the color. But before we cut the first color yarn, we need to insert the second color. Yarn over to complete the last stitch, then cut the yarn at the back and secure it by tying the 2 threads together. Then we cut the first color. For the third row, we will start by making a chain of 3, then 2 double crochets, I have 1 here, and 2, then chain 3 again, and slip stitch at the same chain. We all slip again on the chain, then make single crochet on the next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 3 again, then slip stitch at the chain. Again, slip stitch on the next chain, make 1 single crochet on the next chain, chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 3, then go back to the same stitch and make a slip stitch. And this is how it looks like. We will repeat this pattern to complete the third row. Once that's done, we will make a slip stitch on the last stitch. But before that, don't forget to slip stitch on the same chain, then slip stitch on the next chain, then on the first chain, we are going to make one single crochet. We will then make 20 chains for hanging purposes. If you prefer to use an ornament hook to hang your red ornament, that's also an option. Once you have secured the yarn, you can cut it. So go back on the same chain, make a slip stitch, secure the yarn, then cut it. Once you are done, then now we gonna arrange the petals right here. All you need here is put one petals on the top, then one at the bottom. Make it alternate, one on the top, one at the bottom, one on the top, then one at the bottom. Repeat this process until you completely finish the whole petals. Then after that, we need to leave the tail here to secure that later. Next, we'll take our third color of yarn and make a long tail, just enough to show around the base and make a ribbon. Starting from the center or lower part of the hanging string, we will insert our needle and sew it like this, leaving around 8 inches of tail for the ribbon to tie later. So start inserting your hook from the front, going to the back, then from the back, insert your hook going to the front alternately until you complete the whole process on this round. Then cut the yarn. Once you are done, tie it to form a ribbon, then cut the excess yarn and secure it at the back. Now your project is done. I hope you all love this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments below, and share it with your friends. Have a nice day everyone. See you on my next tutorial.